Hello and welcome back to PyGorithm. In today's video, we will dive into a exciting Python project, web scraping Flipkart to extract product details like name, price, rating and more. Let's get started. So this is the Flipkart product that we will scrap. This is iPhone 15 Pro. First we need to set up a Python environment. I will choose this Jupyter notebook. And I have already installed request and beautiful soup libraries. If you have not installed, then you can do it using pip. We will begin by importing the necessary libraries request for making HTTPS request and beautiful soup from BS4 for parsing HTML content. Now we will use the input function to allow the user to enter Flipkart product URL. For this demo, I will use the link of an iPhone 15 Pro. We will copy this link and after running this, we will put it here input option. Next, we will send a GET request to the URL and store the response. If the status code is 200, which means this request was successful, otherwise it is not successful. So we can see it is successful to get request, and using beautiful soup we store this response as a HTML file in soup. Now we will extract product details. We will start from name. So if we go to this link and we will check, this is the name. So we can right click here, go to inspect, it will show the code. Click here, just what you want to extract, just click on that, it will come. It is on span. As you see, this is on span and its class name is b@nuci. So here from soup we will find the span which class name is b@nuci. After that, from that HTML span, we only took the text. So here you can see we got the product name. Now we will go for price. Again, we can click here and put in price. You can see here it is price. This is on div and the class name is this one. So we can do it like same way. It will find the div, then it will remove all HTML, took only text and replace this rupees and comma from here. If you can see here, 2 comma is there and 1 rupees symbol is also there. Then we will convert into it a integer format because it is in text. Then we will print here. So we got the value 1,30,990. Same. We got same only. Next, we will go for product rating. Here, this is product rating. So we can click on it. You can see this is the class name of div. So same way we got the product rating, the number of rating and number of reviews. So this is the span from where we can get the rating and reviews number. So this is the class name. Here we got number of reviews and number of ratings. If you want to split it like only number of ratings and number of value, then we can remove and split all the extra things from here like this reviews and all those things. So here we got two value, one is number of rating, one is number of review. So now we can separate them. Now we will go for offer. If you go on offer like same way, then after you can go, it is coming under all single span. After that, if you go like this list, you can get the class name. So just copy this class, first one, don't need to take this call. Just put it. If you see, you can see for every offers, it is using that same class name for every list. So we, instead of find, we will find all. It will take as an array. If we print the text, then we will get this. For better visualization, we will print with number and store in a array. Next thing will come product description. If we scroll little bit, can get the description. So we will take this division and take this class. And we got product description as well. Now we will go for product specification. We will check this TV, then this table, then this T body, and we can see there is 2 TD in TR. In one row there is 2 table data. We will take only first one, class name, for both. And like same way, we will extract all TD from the soup. And for printing purpose only, we put like this. You can see here we got all the specification of that product. So if you run all code at a time, then it will like this. So here it is asking for a link. We will copy the link and we will paste the link and we will press enter. It is running and we got all the details from here. So you can use this for any product in Flipkart. Like if you go for other product, like this is power bank, boat power bank. No, this is not boat power bank. This is any power bank. This is cellular something. We will copy this link. We will put here and press enter. And you can see we get the same thing from that. All exact same result come. Okay, you can check all those ratings, how many ratings, overall rating, and the number of reviews, price, bank offer, descriptions, all is come here only. That's all for today's video of web scraping of Flipkart using Python. Subscribe to PyGorithm for more such tutorials and leave your thoughts in comment section below. Happy coding!